Yuki? You're being stubborn today. Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, it's dirty. Please, girl, please. Sit, please. Thank you. Wait. Huh? Ah. I am sleep deprived and I'm starving. This looks so good. I either always get the shrumami or I get the crispy rice bowl. Ooh. Damn, I didn't know I was this hungry.
Remember maybe from last week, the whole project is 50% of your semester grade. We have late submission policies here.
Class has officially started, so now I'm back to juggling what feels like everything all at once. Sometimes my brain just feels so overwhelmed and stressed, and that's why it's so important for me to invest in tools that help me work smarter and not harder, like Quillbot, and I'd like to thank Quillbot for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Honestly, I've been using Quillbot in all parts of my life, whether it's drafting up emails for work or writing to brands for content creation or even school assignments. It just makes everything so much easier. Their Chrome extension checks my grammar, helps me rephrase sentences so I sound clear and professional, and my favorite feature is the paraphraser. It's perfect when I know what I want to say but need help polishing the wording. Instead of overthinking every little detail, I can just focus on the ideas I want to share and let Quillbot do the heavy lifting when it comes to phrasing. I also get a lot of emails from all of these different streams of work, and ever since I downloaded Quillbot, it has made my inbox so much easier to manage. It's been such a helpful tool for keeping me productive and making my communication stronger. You can try Quillbot for free today using the link down below in my description box. I'm running just a little bit behind schedule, but I'm currently getting ready for the Kim Shui fashion show. We're doing a full face of makeup tonight, so I'm gonna start off with this color correcting primer. It's purple. I actually think that was a little bit too much, but I got excited. Next, I'm using this cushion from Parnell. Last fashion week, I was extremely lucky to go see Sandy Liang with Google. That was such a dream experience. And this year, I am actually going to Kim Shui with Notion. I am not sponsored by them, but I do have ties with them. I think some of you all already found out, but low-key, that's where I work. So an opportunity came up for Notion to sponsor Kim Shui's fashion show this week, and the team asked me if I wanted to go on behalf of Notion and obviously help with socials for our social channel, and they were like, you should take some content for your own channels too. So I was like, yes, of course, I'd love to. I never expected to share where I work in this way or in this context, but if there is like the perfect time to share where I worked, it would be like a Notion x New York Fashion Week collab. I'm gonna use this Dior palette. I actually ordered not one, but 2 pieces from Kim Shui to wear to the fashion show. One from her actual website, and I paid for expedited shipping, but it has not even shipped yet. And then I also ordered a piece from Revolve. Usually Revolve is very good with staying on track for their 2-day shipping, so I trust it a lot, but somehow this shipment just got delayed. So as of 4 p.m. today, it's still in Ontario, Canada. So unfortunately, I'm just gonna have to rummage through my closet and figure something out. I definitely could have planned this so much better though, because I knew for a couple weeks now that I was gonna go to the show. So this was on me. Okay, it is almost 6 p.m. and I need to get to the venue by 7:15 to help shoot some content. So I'm gonna go camera off for now to finish up my makeup because I also have to do my hair and then I also have to get dressed. So I will see you guys in a little bit. I know I look kind of crazy, but trust that it's gonna look good with the outfit. Julia? Yeah. So I realized that I forgot my ID and I also forgot my comb, and it is at the One World Trade Observatory, and I just remember on the invite they said like you need to check in with security at the bottom because it's like high security area. So let's hope that I can get in. Oh yeah, and I'm running really late.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
So sick.
Actually, the weather's so nice today.
Yeah, I know, right? I also thought like summer was over. But it feels like summer's back. I'm with Lily and we just grabbed some lunch and we are headed to a pop-up at Bryant Park. That's it. Check in.
Yes. Okay. Okay now, bye.
Great.
Great, fantastic.
You need to get used to like speaking to the camera.
Oh man.
Oh my.
It's gonna take a while.
I think you're getting better. I think you're getting better.
I saw you already ate it. Well, you can cut that out.
It's so rude.
You can cut that out.
morning from SF. I thought that I would wake up a little bit earlier, but I actually woke up at like 7:30, which is 10:30 New York time. I literally set my alarm to like 6, but I just could not get up. I slept for over 10 hours, I want to say. That has been the most amount of sleep that I've gotten this entire month. I am feeling just a little bit congested though. I think I started to feel a little sicky after I got off the plane last night, but I just really hope that this does not escalate because I do not have time to be sick. My schedule today is quite packed and I'm actually getting a little overwhelmed just looking at it. But actually, for the next couple of days, it's not looking very good either. But what can we do?
Hey, Julia.
Today was a very long day and I just got out of happy hour with my team. I'm actually very hungry because it's like 9:30 p.m. New York time and I think my body's really confused.